Hi and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you another project which we made for our client. This is a niftypay.com website. You can check it yourself as well. If I reload the page, you can see a small kind of contact page, contact us, or some detail kind of stuff pop-up opens. I will close it for now. You can see that how much it is associated with. It is a like, I think it is one of the best projects which we have made, because after viewing this website you will see it for yourself. So basically this is a website. I will not take longer and I will show you. If I scroll down, you can see, if I scroll down, look at the animation. Just look at the animation. If I scroll down, now look at this, how beautiful designed it is. It is designed in Figma and developed in ReactJS. You can see how, if I'm scrolling it, how the background design is changing, right? You can see how much, what kind of effect it is generating. I am moving my cursor on it, how beautiful it looks like. If I scroll further down, you can see another thing. These are the companies it is related to or working with. Polygon, Matic, if you have heard of it, it's a crypto company. You can see these companies it is associated with. If I scroll further down, it is a roadmap for NFT. I think we have worked on hundreds of NFT projects, but I think this is one of the best. I would like, no doubt, this is one of the our best working or best project which we have worked on. And at the bottom here is the footer. If I scroll back now up, you can see how beautiful the design looks like and how what happens if I move up. So this is the design. You can check different pages as well. If you click on roadmap, it will take you to the roadmap. If I go to media partner, it will take you back to media partner. If I click on about, you can see how beautiful the design is, right? And if you want us to make any of your designs, one thing I like to mention is that it is a $12,000 website, right? It is not a like it is not a very cheap website. It is an expensive website. It costed them around $12,000. But one thing I like to mention here is that we firstly design the site in Figma. Once the client approves the design, then we go and develop the website, right? And if you want to work with us and you have a idea or a dream, you want it to convert to reality, you can contact us. One thing I'd like to mention is that we work only on advance payment. So if you cannot do advance payment, we won't be working with you. You can send the payment to us using Payoneer, Wise, or crypto, anything which prefers you, right? So if you want us to make any of your project, you can contact us on our WhatsApp, which is in the description below, and we will love to work with you. If you want us to you want me to show you other beautiful projects which me and my team have already done, you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video with more amazing projects. Thank you.